1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, this is part 2 of how to look after your paints and get the most out of your oil paints. Now quite often towards the end of a paint tube's journey it ends up looking a little bit like that, and most people, I've noticed, just rush out and go and buy another one. But I'd like to show you starving art student trick number 37. You'd be surprised how much more is hiding in that tube. So what we do is we pull it apart like so, get it flat, squeeze it flat. This is just your normal painting knife, your palette knife. Use the round bit, solid flat surface, and just squish this out from the bottom. Make sure you get everything out from the bottom and push it towards there. This takes a reasonable amount of effort. If you've got a strong person to help you do this, that's nice. And if you don't want to get your fingernails damaged, then yeah, get somebody else to do it. Me, I don't care about my fingernails too much. And then squishing like that, pushing, push, push, push. Now check that out. So, can you see that? See how much that can't get terribly much more out of it. We'll bring this back here, and because we've already done the hot water trick to get this open, you'll be amazed. Pretty well a stuffed up paint. Check how much more paint you've got left in that. Not bad, eh? This stuff's expensive, so don't chuck it out. Get as much out of it as you can. Just a handy little tip from the Gold Coast Art School. My name is Stephen. I have to say that.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. You can always send us suggestions as well for what you might want to learn next.
I want chocolate brownies.